How to send money from Google Pay to Cashapp. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can send money from Google Pay to Cashapp. And how do you do that? The first step is to launch your Google Pay application, just like I've done here. And then after launching, go to the top right corner, click on your profile icon, then click on your payment methods, and then add your Cash App to your Google Pay application. You can add your Cash App to your Google Pay application if you have the option for it to add bank account. So you can just add your Cash App bank account to your Google Pay application. Or if you have the Cash App credit card, you can add it by clicking on payment card, and then you taken to the page where you will enter in your card details. Ensure you do that. And after you've added your Cash App to your Google Pay, then the next step would be for you to tap on the profile icon again. Okay, just tap on the profile icon and then select your payment methods. All right, and once you're on your payment methods page, the next step would be for you to select the bank account from which you want to transfer to your Cash App. Okay, select the bank account, and then after selecting the bank account, I are taken to the bank accounts page where you can see your balance. Then the next step would be for you to enter in the amount you want to transfer, and then choose a payment method. All right, choose a location, a destination where the money would go to. Then choose your Cash App debit card or your Cash App bank account as the payment method. And then once you've done that, follow the prompts, and then transfer will be completed. So it is that simple. So like I said, the first step would be for you to add your add Google Pay to your Cash App account. Okay, add Google Pay to your Cash App, then launch the Google Pay application, click on the wallet, click on payment method, select the bank from which you want to transfer your money, determine the amount you want to transfer, select destination, which is your Cash App account, and then send the money, follow the prompts, and the transfer would be completed. So that is it, everyone. Thank you for watching and have a good day.